Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the drive and case compatibility. Make sure your M.2 NVMe card fits the enclosure keying and that the enclosure supports NVMe protocol, not SATA. Once confirmed, power off your workstation and work on an anti-static mat. You don't want surprises. Install a thermal pad on the module if the enclosure has a heatsink. Thermal contact improves sustained performance. Tighten the M.2 screw gently and make sure the module sits flat before closing the enclosure. Once done assembling, connect the enclosure to your computer with a rated cable to ensure full bandwidth. Inadequate cables throttle speeds. You'll then initialize and partition the NVMe. Pick GPT for drives larger than 2 TB and choose XFAT for Windows/Mac compatibility or apps/NTFS for single OS use. Make sure your OS recognizes the device as NVMe and, if available, enable trim or NVMe pass-through to maintain long-term performance. You finish by securing the enclosure and using proper eject procedures to prevent corruption. Always unmount before disconnecting. Monitor the drive temperature under load. If speeds drop, add airflow or a better heatsink to prevent thermal throttling. If the drive isn't detected, reopen the case and reseat the module, try a different cable or port, and check for enclosure firmware updates. These steps usually resolve compatibility issues. Finally, back up important data and enjoy NVMe class external performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.